Y'all know I've been working in apples this week. And so what I've done today, I had some that I peeled and I'm going to put them in jars. Let me show you what I'm doing here. Now these are mixed. Some of them cook up and some of them don't. And that's exactly what I want because they make really, really good pies whenever they're like that. So these are unsweetened. And all I'm going to do is put them in the jars and water bath them. Now with these jars, because there's applesauce and apples in them, I'm going to make sure that I don't have any bubbles down in them. Just keep doing this and then I'll top them off. Probably, I've got a 1.5 pint jar there. Probably going to spoon some of it over into these and put whatever's left into a pint jar. If there's enough, if there's not, then I'll put it in the refrigerator. Okay, so I've got these jars out of the water bath, and I did water bath these for 25 minutes. And as you can see, I got 3 quarts in 1 pint. So that's some good eating down the road. God bless y'all till the next time.